How are you? Hope you are well. Today, I, Jay Patel from Standard 9th A is going to discuss the causes, effects and prevention of COVID-19. Do you know friends what is coronavirus and why its remedy getting late? Today, I will tell something about it. COVID-19 was firstly originated from China. Other countries affected by this virus are India, USA, Italy, France and Brazil. It is a type of RNA virus. It has spikes on its surface. It is mutating in the cell. So it is very difficult for the medical science to develop the vaccine and cure the patient. It starts out in lungs like common cold and then cause havoc which can create a long-term lung damage and death. The development of vaccine is a long process with all the clinical trials, so its remedy will be delayed. Firstly, Russia has developed the vaccine of this virus, but it has some side effects. Secondly, Oxford University with joint effort of Serum Institute in Pune is on the last clinical phase. So we hope that we will get the vaccine of this virus in the start of 2021. COVID-19 pandemic caused many social and economic effects. People lost their jobs. Laborers migrated from the industries. There was shortage of food, water, clothes. People avoided meeting, so eventually it felt loneliness. I think that it will take time to come out from this COVID-19 effect. Most of all symptoms are known by you. So, some symptoms are dry cough, common cold, fever, shortness of breath. But the most serious effect is severe pneumonia and lungs infection. Friends, as you know, prevention is better than cure. So, we can prevent this COVID-19 pandemic from spreading by taking the small preventive measures like cleaning our hands with hand sanitizer and soap oftenly for 20 seconds. Maintain social distancing. Avoid going crowded area. Wear a mask when you go out. Do not touch your eyes, nose or mouth oftenly. If you develop any symptoms of this virus, then immediately seek medical attention. At last, I would say stay home, stay safe and goodbye. Friends, this is my first video. So, I hope you all will support me. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.